they've even got bus shelters here to go the free e-bus. As you can see, yeah, it's a free e-bus they have going to Pollok House and to the Borough Collection. I'm never sure about wood being used in Scotland as a structural thing. I think Scandinavia is quite good because things last, but nice smell, nice and fresh.
Nice. Would you be doing that in the Glasgow city centre, would you be?
All sorts of odd things that shouldn't be here. That one there is Himalayan balsam, which gives you beautiful flowers. It's an invasive thing that presumably came from the Himalayas, but it gives you great pods when it's mature at the end of the summer that burst when you touch them. It gives people a bit of a start when they don't know it and you touch them and bang. And that is the White Cat River. It wends its way through the park. It's Pollok Park. And that little deer, I think it's maybe a muntjac. You can maybe tell me if I'm right, if you know about these things.